How are you? Today I'm trying to teach you some modeling concept in Excel. In the last class, I have taught you uh, what if analysis in a data table. Now, today I'm going to teach you about goal seek in what if analysis. So you can see my previous video about data table in what if analysis. That is also modeling. And I will try to put the link above and you can have a look at that also if you have not seen it. So continuing with what if analysis, today we have one numerical. In what if analysis today we are going to learn about goal seek option. A company launches, this is a question we want to solve this. There's a company and it launches a new delivery service in city A. The first delivery truck leaves the warehouse at X or 8 a.m. and travels towards city B at a speed of 64 miles per hour. The second truck has to catch up with the first truck because some material is left by chance. The second person is at a speed, the second truck is at a speed of 80 miles. First one was at 64. So let us start this. So let me say truck A. So what is the speed at which truck A is going? Speed 64. We can increase the size. Yeah. And truck B, what is the speed of truck B? 80 miles per hour. So let us do this 80 miles per hour. Guys, try to understand how we can connect the model with what if analysis. In the previous example also, I first made the model and then I connected it with one variable and then with two variables. Now again, here also first I am creating a model. This is not hard coding. This is like I'm putting some formulas and there's a logic. This logic has to be connected with what if analysis. So in what if analysis, today we are trying to see goal seek. We will try to seek a particular goal. So what is there in what if analysis? Data. What if analysis? Goal seek. What three things are there? Set cell, to value, and by changing cell. So we need one cell, which is our target cell, and we have to set it to the value something. Like goal seek can be used to find break-even point also. But today we are doing some other example. And then by changing some cell, three values it is taking goal seek. So let us try to first make a model and then we'll fill this. Now tell me what is the question. Question is here. How many miles will each truck have traveled when the second truck catches up the first one? मतलब पहले the first truck A went at a speed of 64 kilometers, 64 miles per hour. The first truck went. After what else is written? The second truck departs from the same warehouse at 80 miles per hour. But after 2 hours, it's written 2 hours later. So truck B started 2 hours later. तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? What does it mean? This is 2 hours. Now tell me, in 2 hours, truck A must have gone how many kilometers away? What would have been the distance? Think about it. I'm sure you have thought about it correctly, and the distance traveled will be, even if one student understands this, I'll be happy to make this video. Even one student. Forget about many. If even one student of mine or even one of any of the analytics fraternity gets benefit from this video, it is good enough for me. Now see, try to understand that in 2 hours how much distance. So we have to model it, not hardcore. It has to be by formula. So this is the speed multiplied by speed is equal to distance by time, and distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 64 multiplied by time. Time is how much? 2 hours. So in 2 hours, truck A has traveled 128 kilometers. And how much truck B has traveled? Think. In 2 hours, truck A has traveled 128 kilometers because 64 kilometers in 1 hour, 64 miles. In 2 hours, 128. So we put this formula here. N5 multiplied by N8, which is nothing but 2 hours. Let me clear this time in hours. Okay, we're good to go till now. Now, again, we have to put this second. What is the distance traveled by truck B? After 2 hours have gone, where is truck B? Truck B has just started or is about to start, not started, about to start. So zero distance it has traveled. But I don't want to write zero here because otherwise this will not come under modeling. So first I will put the formula again. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into speed into time. What is the time? This is the time. But again it says the second truck departs from the truck B departs from the location after 2 hours. After 2 hours. So what is the time for the truck B right now? It has not started. So I'll put -2, obviously, because there's a gap between truck A and truck B by 2 hours. And it -2 it will happen. 2 minus 2 is 0. But we don't write 0 here. We do this kind of modeling. And then we press enter. 0 has come. But by formula. This is the formula. Oops. Now the thing is we have to use what if analysis, and in that where is data? what if analysis, and in that we will use goal seek and we will insert the values. Three values is taking. Set cell. First is set cell. What do you want to do? Oh, I have not done the right thing. So, one second. Let me calculate the difference also between 128 minus 0. Difference is 128 between truck A and truck B. After truck A has traveled 2 hours and truck B has not started yet. What is the difference between truck A and truck B? 128 minus 0, which is nothing but 128. Now again, we go back. What if analysis, goal seek. What we have to do? We have to set this particular cell. What value we need? What value we need? What we are trying to seek? What goal we are trying to achieve? A should meet B. That means distance between them, between the two will be what? Distance between the two will be 0. Then only they will meet. And by changing what? By changing the time. We keep changing the time and we would like to make the distance between A and B as 0. So let us see exactly. At 640 kilometers, 640 miles. At 640 miles when they travel, the truck B and truck A will meet each other at a distance of 640 kilometers miles. Truck A and truck B will meet each other because the distance, the gap has become now 0. And what time they will reach? At 10 hours. After 10 hours, they will meet each other. What about truck A? How many hours he would have traveled? 10 hours. And truck B, 8 hours. Why? Because 2 hours less. So this is the answer for this particular business problem. So what problems you are facing in business, you have to do modeling like this and use Excel modeling to find the solution. So you can also find break-even point. In break-even point, we have to make profit and loss equal to, the revenue and the expenditure should be equal to 0. Like distance here is 0. Like that, we have to find break-even point also. So this is some explanation, some idea about, this is not the end, obviously, but this is simplest idea which can be given to you for goal seek function or analysis. Under what if analysis, goal seek can be used to find solution to the problems by doing modeling of the data. And similarly, I have given you in the last video also an example of data table under what if analysis. This one, data table. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if possible, like, share if you want. Otherwise also okay, no problem. Please at least keep watching my videos if you like and upgrade your knowledge. If possible, try to recommend also my videos, my channel to other friends of yours. And if you like, subscribe, then you'll get updates. I keep updating, I keep putting on videos so that you can get the latest out of it. All these informations are not from a single source. I'm trying to upgrade myself from various areas, and then these examples I'm trying to share with you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, evening, I would say.